up, YouTube? So today's video is a highly requested one. You guys always ask me about my bedroom decor, and you guys wanted to see a tour, so I figured that why not give you a tour of my bedroom, kind of tell you guys where I got a few pieces and things like that. So if you guys are interested in the video, then just keep on watching, guys. All right, so as you guys come in, you will see this couch right here. This couch I got from Ivan Smith, and it's a set of 2. So I got this from Ivan Smith. It has like those little I forgot what you call these things, but it has this right here, and I really loved it because it goes with our bed, as you guys will see in a minute. These little fluff pillows, I totally forgot where I got them from. Probably like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something like that, because you know your sis is always in there. This pillow for sure came from Home Goods. This pillow I think came from TJ Maxx. But like I said, both of these chairs came from Ivan Smith. That is a company down here in East Texas. It's a little small company. And this right here, this little silver end table thing with the mirrors on it, came from Ivan Smith as well. Now these curtains, I got the rod from like Big Lots, and I got these curtains that are blackout curtains from TJ Maxx. This little thin white one came from TJ Maxx as well, but this came from TJ Maxx as well. But I really needed something that's like a blackout, because I really love when I wake up and it's like super dark. I don't wake up to the sun most of the time, so I try to have my blackout curtains, because sis, that helps me to sleep a lot longer. So this little end table right here, oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. So this end table came in a set with my little stand in my room. I'll show you the other stand that I'm talking about. But this end table, or nightstand should I say, came with another nightstand. So it's pretty much like a his and her type of nightstand, with silver trimming around it, silver little handles, and you know, stuff in, and you know, the little deep drawers that can fit a lot of stuff. That is a pretty little thing bag, and that's a haul coming up pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But so what I really love the most about this nightstand is the fact that, y'all, look, so let me turn this lamp off. So what I love the most about it is that if I hit this little button on the side, say like you don't want to turn a light on whenever it's super dark, you have that little light right there, so it kind of illuminates. So y'all, I was like over the moon about that. So this lamp I believe came from Ross, and this vase as well came from Ross, and I just put like the little I forgot what you call these, but these little faux little things in there. So y'all, let's get into this mirror. So let me tell y'all about this mirror. So I went into not Hobby Lobby, I went into Pier 1 one time, and so I was looking around and everything like that, and so I saw these mirrors back here on clearance, and so I was like, oh, okay, cool, so it's on clearance. And one of them was actually on clearance for about, I want to say for about $45, because of that little chipping over there and that little bit up there at the corner up there, right there. So they had it marked down, and it was like its 3rd week on clearance, so they keep marking it down every single week. So with this mirror, I saw that it was $45, and I was like, okay, cool, I want it. Well, I found the other one, which the other one is this one. So I found the other one, and I was like, well, hey, I want both of them. Well, this one, as you can see over there in the corner, it has like a little crack there, and then right there it has like a little crack right there, but you know, it's not like super bad or noticeable. So I seen this one as well, and I was like, damn, how much are they? And so this one was like for $125. I'm like, oh hell no. So I happened to be on the phone with Cordell, y'all, and if y'all Cordell is the main person that will try to get a deal out of any and everything possible, sis. So he was like, oh hell no, we ain't finna pay for that. So he was like, put the manager on the phone. So y'all, I'm on the phone with Cordell and he asked for the manager. So I give the manager the phone, and so he asked them pretty much like, hey, this one over here is only $45 and it's on its 3rd week, but this one over here is for $125. And so the lady was like, well, it's $125 because that it's on its 1st week of clearance. And I was like, well, but it's like more broke off right here than the other one, you know, so like, can we not get them for the same price? And the lady was like, I don't know about that. So I was like, well, no, we're not gonna just get one mirror and just, you know, leave the other one. Like, who's gonna want just one mirror? You get what I'm saying? People would probably want both of them if they know it's a set. And so I continued shopping around. I put the mirrors back and everything like that. And so the lady actually came to me and was like, hey, you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and give you this other mirror for the same price. I've talked to my manager, so, you know, we'll go ahead and give it to you for the same price. So y'all, I ended up getting both of these mirrors for $45 a piece from Pier 1. Can y'all believe that? Like, that is like the littest thing ever. But yeah, so here's that second nightstand. And so that brings us to this wall with my statues that hang up on the wall right before you enter into our master bath, which is right here. So, but these little statues, I was actually in Dallas, and this dude in downtown Dallas was having like pretty much a garage type of sale thing. And so he was selling it on OfferUp. And so I saw them and I was like, hey, I really want them. And so he gave them to me for $150 a piece. So I thought that was pretty dope though. He had them as like bookshelves, and then like so imagine that these doors weren't there and these were just floating shelves or something like that. So he had one here, and then the floating shelves in between. And then he had books on the floating shelves, which was super, super dope. And so I really like that. So this mirror actually came from the same guy who sold me the statues. So y'all, he tried to tell me that he wanted $300 for this mirror. I'm like, no, we're not gonna do that. And so I Googled and I found this exact same mirror for like $160. I was like, hey, you either gonna give me this mirror for $150 or I can buy the same mirror online for $169 and just wait till it gets to my house, and you'll have to deal with somebody else wanting to buy it. And so he was like, you know what, I'll let you go ahead and have it for that $150. So boom, I got this mirror and my statues. So y'all, I was super geeked. So here is that little stand that I was talking about that come in with the set with the nightstand. So I got the 2 nightstands and this right here, which it has its own fireplace on the inside. It's not real wood. It's not a real fire. It's just pretty much like a heater that has like the lighting like it is a fire. But so, and it gets hot, y'all. And so with this right here, like I said, it came in a set with the nightstand and this little stand right here. And I think I spent like $1,500 for all of it total, which I thought was super damn bomb, because like y'all, this is so cute. Like, it has its own fireplace in it, so when it gets cold, you know. And so these doors actually open, and I just have like random stuff in there. I also like this little section because you can like put stuff here, which you can see that we actually have like our little cable box thing, and we have the other remotes and stuff like that. And the heater is actually coming on right now. But so just up here, I just got a candle, a little sign that says love, and I got that actually from Ross. Another picture frame that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then we have our TV mounted on the wall. So, dun dun, the master bed. So, the rug I got off of Overstock.com. And the bed I got from Overstock.com. Y'all, I love Y'all, I love this bed. Like, as you can see, it has the same little trimming thing like my chairs do. So I thought that was gonna go super damn bomb. And so this is like a velvet type of material. Like, y'all, I love it. And so this little quilt I got from TJ Maxx. I got my bedding, the little gray sheets from TJ Maxx as well. I got this from Ross, TJ Maxx, I believe, I want to say Ross. These pillows actually came from Home Goods. And so these pillows right here, the white ones, actually came from TJ Maxx. And these are just the regular pillows that we sleep on. And so this bed, like I said, came from Overstock, and it was $1,500. For those asking me, the bed, like I said, came from Overstock, and it's $1,500. It also has that same studding right up top as well. This canvas right here I got from Pier 1, and it was actually hanging up. So whenever you go to Pier 1, make sure you look up at the ceiling, because they have like these little canvases hanging up. And so I got that for like $129. So, but yeah, guys, so yeah. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was a little quick, short and sweet little video just to give you another view of my bedroom from a different angle. As always, babies, thank you for all the love, support, and everything you guys show me on my channel. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you babies in the next one, sis. Bye, babies.